Look at that blanket. See, and that's like the other stuff I think that these drones or satellites are doing is like spraying this mist, this fog, these chemtrails, whatever the fuck you want to call this. When I started like flying up in the sky and I could remember things, like 10 years old or whatever, and I remember going up above the clouds and being like, this is weird. I didn't know why. It just felt weird. Um, that first layer, I was just like, this is weird. I thought clouds were higher. And then you get to the clouds that are higher. And it's like, what was that? And then you see movies or read books by Stephen King called like Cell or The Mist. And you really start to be like, what the fuck does Stephen King know? And why are these things going on that are in these books and in these movies? So, anyway, every night, pretty much right off this tree, like right about there, we'll have a light friend who blinks and just stays there. And it kind of shifts a little bit towards the night, and then it just like disappears. I don't know where it goes. Yeah, that's what we've got. And I noticed it like 4 or so years ago, and Heath was like, "Oh, it's just a satellite," and now I'm like, well, I even said then like, "That's weird," and now I'm like, "Oh, good." Satellites light up the globe. Imagine that. What does that mean? Like at night they can totally light up the world, or like they can light us up, like burn us on the insides. Because we're water too, right? So if we are being like microwaved and we have metals inside of us, that's very, very bad. What was written? Come on, move. What was written in stone will be built. What was written in stone will be built into silicone. Total synthesis, centralized control. Secret oaths, Bohemian Grove. Do you know what Bohemian Grove is? Looks like it's going to tell us a little bit. The ritual.